nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies'll be blue for all my life. Me and you and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. Ba 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 ba
Emerson. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2026. I'm Vinny.
And I'm Ayad.
We really enjoyed last week's Spring Music Assembly. It's hard to believe a whole week is already gone by.
This school year is flying by, so make the most of the days we have left before summer break, Emerson.
Students, please stand and face the flag for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please take a seat for 15 seconds of silence.
Good morning, Emerson. This week it looks like the weather will be cloudy and partially cloudy and in the 50s and 60s. This week, the this or that question is, which shoe brand is better, Nike or Adidas? Last week, the majority of the Google form responders agreed that they would rather have no more homework than no more tests.
It is a basketball party like no other.
There's nothing like it for me. Rivals only Christmas.
Never gets old. This place is rocking. This is why we do this every March.
The madness is upon us.
It's going down right now.
The ball is tipped, and there you are. You're running for your life. You're a shooting star. In all the years, no one knows just how hard you worked.
This is where dreams are made. The flex. Oh!
In one shining moment, it's all on the line.
We got you, buddy.
In one shining moment, they're frozen in time.
McNeese, first ever tournament victory.
The time is short, and the road is long. In the blinking of an eye, that moment's gone. And when it's done, win or lose, you always did your best.
One shining moment indeed. So much great IXL work over the past several weeks. It makes me a bit misty. Hello, Eagles. I'm Doris Assessmentio.
And I'm Donald Boucher Dortmund. Doris, can you believe it? Do you believe it?
No.
I believe it. Don't stop believing, because we've had 32 teams or homerooms which have been matched up to compete, showing growth in their IXL skills. Now we have winners.
Oh, yeah.
Every single student who did some IXL, of course, is a winner.
Oh, plus, these homerooms really came through. Mrs. Tenner and Mrs. Pagier's homeroom, Mrs. Jones and Mrs. Koberger's homeroom, and Mr. Florence and Mr. Shower's homeroom dominated throughout the competition. I noticed several of these homerooms are led by folks with basketball coaching experience. Donald, do you think that was a factor?
I have to believe it contributed to their victories. I won't stop believing. I will not stop believing. Don't stop believing. But let's also look the obvious height advantage which Tenor brings to the competition. It was just a real nifty competition all around. Homerooms experienced the thrill of victory and the agony of defeat.
Holy Toledo, those students really got their puppies in order to bring home the bacon.
Doris, I think you mixed up your metaphors.
You know how you know what a metaphor is? It's because of your fabulous teachers taught you, and you practice on IXL. Eagles, Map Madness may be ending, but the glory your homeroom experience lasts forever. The real challenge comes next week.
That's right. It's a tradition unlike any other, Doris. We get to take the map test. Map. Beep, beep. Map. Ew. Next week, to show off our brains, we're showing it for a school-wide goal of 60% of our students meeting their growth targets in LA.
We can do this. Do you believe in miracles?
It doesn't matter what I believe. It matters that the Eagles got this. Soar!
Eagles, listen up, especially our 8th graders in the class of 2026.
Today's the absolute last day to submit your Judith Snow Award application.
If you spent your time at Emerson showing respect and offering empathy, this is your moment.
District 64 wants to reward students who are responsible and show great self-regulation.
Don't leave $250 on the table.
Make sure your application and both recommendations are submitted online by the end of the day.
Head to the Emerson website right now if you need that link one last time.
Good luck to all our 8th grade leaders. We are proud of how you soar.
This past Saturday, our Emerson Eagles competed in the Special Olympics Spring Games, and they did an amazing job.
We're so proud of all of our athletes for showing determination, teamwork, and incredible Eagle spirit.
Kimmy placed 5th in running and won gold in throwing, and Seth earned bronze in running and gold in throwing.
Yafet finished 6th in running and also took home gold in throwing, and Noah placed 6th in running and also earned gold in throwing.
Ben, Maya, and Cece all competed in both running and throwing, giving it their all in every event.
Your effort, sportsmanship, and positive attitude truly represent what it means to soar.
Congratulations to all our athletes. We're proud of you.
Look at
the job Future City Spice by Jace Putty.
Be sure to check out May's Book in a Jar, which will be the final one for this school year.
Students, a reminder that all LRC books are due by May 22nd.
Any books not returned by that date will be considered lost.
Yeah, time ain't on time. Go, Eagles.
Hey Emerson, looking for a way to make a real difference in someone's day?
We've got an opportunity for you. Uncle Pete's brown bag lunch is coming up.
During homeroom on the week of May 4th, you'll receive a brown bag to fill with lunch for someone in need.
Then on Tuesday, May 12th, bring your completed lunch to school, and it starts at 7:30 a.m. as you enter the building.
All lunches will be boxed up and delivered by volunteers to people in need across the community.
If you want to go above and beyond, try hosting your own packing lunch party with your family and friends to see how many lunches you can make.
Each lunch should include items like sandwiches, fruits, chips, a drink, and a sweet treat.
Check the flyer for the full list and to what include, and remember, no condiments or no bananas.
Let's come together, Emerson, and show how much we care.
Together, we are Emerson. 2, 3, 4.
Be an ethical leader right now. I said be an ethical leader. No, Jason, do not do that. Don't stop it. Don't stop recording. Do not stop.
Maine 64 Emerson! Maine Township Transition Seth! Manassas, McHenry Elementary, District 15. Hi, Noah! McHenry High School Warriors. Minor School. Maya. Nizra. Hi, Maya. Northbrook Greyhounds. NS, SRA. And W, SRA. Orchard Village.